engineering staff working on the track, emergency track correction. See, it is people are busy, so the train has reduced the speed and diverted to other track as a local train. So engineering staff is standing aside, so waiting for the train to pass through. The passengers, crazy passengers, are staring at the rail staff. They're standing aside the rail track. It's a laborious job for the rail staff to work in the open sun and on the track. It's a quite risky job. You should appreciate and please comment on this issue. And see other track also, the train high super fast train is running. So you must alert. See, there's a local trainer cross through, and then the people are one work. See, they are tightening, and see in the other track the train is running very fast in Shatabdi NJP Howrah, New Jalpaiguri Howrah. This train is fitted with Amsterdam and Jan Shatabdi running from Rajendra Nagar to Howrah. It is quite dangerous. The people should be alert enough. It's a very high speed, 135 kilometer per hour. Please comment on my video. Please subscribe and comment to encourage us. And behind that local train is passing through a passenger line to entering to the main line. I think it is Asansol passengers. It is quite high experience. I feel very happy. The people are sitting, the passengers are sitting on the door. Is quite dangerous. Some people are hanging their leg, swinging their leg. It's quite dangerous. They don't understand the dangerous situation. Passengers sometimes are falling from the train. It is really quite dangerous. Please comment on this, and please subscribe and be with us. Watch my video. Thank you very much.